Hello, welcome to Market Analysis Channel, your one-stop analysis for crypto markets. Today, I want to bring an analysis on Solana to your attention. Solana is forming a pattern that will launch 25,000 percentage increase. It has repeated the pattern in the past. Now it's forming the same pattern again, which will launch the same percentage run. I want you to follow me and look at this analysis very carefully. Let me zoom into the chart so you can see what I'm about to bring to your attention. This is an hidden gem that very few people understand looking at chart and following institutional traders' footsteps. When you look at this chart, from this particular point, Solana form a pattern that is called institutional reversal pattern. Let me put the analysis to you here. When you look at this square box, you can see this red bar that closes in the middle of its range, then the upward blue bar that closes around the top. For us to confirm that the pattern is complete, we also need another upward close bar that will rise above the top of the square box. That's the same pattern Solana is forming at the moment, and this is the pattern that catapults Solana price movement to 25,000 percentage increase. As little as 4,000 will have bring in $1 million in just 45 bars. Let me measure this analysis and you can see how high the run in Solana is. Let me put it from the bottom where the move started. The move rise to as high as, wow, 259. This is awesome. As little as $1 could have turned to $260 in Solana alone. That's like $4,000 to over $1 million. You can see the percentage increase, 25,000% in just 45 bars. And you can see the pattern in the square box. That's the same pattern Solana is forming now, which will launch a massive run just like this one that it launched earlier. Now, you can see history is repeating itself. I want to put the same chart on the same page. Yes, you can see the pattern. The pattern is also forming here. Let me put a blue square box so you can see how the pattern looks like on this particular chart too. Exactly. This is what is happening now in Solana. Yes. I've just put in the square box here now, the same way it happens earlier. This is the pattern one. Let me put history. Okay, I'll say pattern, the pa the pattern repeating again, bottom. Yes, so this is the bull run pattern. The bull run pattern is also occurring again. Let me put it here so it will be easier for you to identify, and you can add it also to your watch list. So the bull run pattern that happened earlier that put Solana at 25,000 percentage increase within 45 bars is happening again. The bull run pattern has just started and Solana has been moving upward gradually. I will now calculate the projection and show it to you so you can benefit from the same bull run that happened earlier. You can benefit from it as it's happening now. We will measure our 45 bars and the percentage increase. That is what, so you can see it's just starting up. It has break above the it has the 2 bar after the red. It has the 2 upward closing bar. Now it's still time for you to join the move. I'm now going to do the projection which will show us where Solana will be heading. The projection is what I'm going to put on the chart for you now. We will now put in our 45 bars and the 25,130 percentage increase. This is a very massive move in Solana. Okay, the 45 bars. Yes, we are the 45 now. 25,000. I'm going to, okay, I'm going to get to that in a jiffy. Okay, we are now at the 45 bars now. Yes. So we are now going to the 25,000 percentage increase. This is 9,000, 10,000. This is 12,000, 15,000. Okay, we are at the 25,000 now. Okay, 25,000. Yes. 25,000. Yes, this is the 25,045 bars. Very perfect. This is where Solana is heading to. Solana is going to hit $22,000 in no time. And that's a 25,000 percentage increase with the 45 bars. Let me zoom in to the previous chart. You can see the pattern that leads to the bull run. We've now calculated the projection. You can see the bull run pattern leads to 45 bars and 25,000 percentage increase. Now the same pattern is also forming, and it's now going to 25,000 percentage increase with the 45 bars. That's around $2,000. That's the another bull run that Solana is now putting in the making. I would like you to follow Solana, watch this analysis very closely. This is an opportunity for you. You can see the bull run pattern is repeating itself the same way it did earlier. We've calculated the projection, and you can make massive money from Solana this time around. Those who missed the first bull run can participate in the second bull run and made as much money as they want. This is a very great analysis. I hope it will help you and it will help your trading. This will make you money as much as you want. This is the biggest secret that has yet to hit the media on Solana. The bull run that is occurring is going to catapult Solana to a price of $2,000, and it has started already. It has started. The pattern has occurred and the price is rising. If this analysis really helped you, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, post your comment in the video comment section.